First Glock 19 holster that we're doing for the guy at work. Check the temperature here. Kydex is hot. And while the Kydex is knocked on here, I just kind of work it a little bit to try to get the best definition possible around the edge of the pistol. You notice I block the trigger guard out here a little bit so I can, one, make sure I don't suck the bladder all the way down, two, just to give it just enough definition for retention. But so far, I'm loving this new vacuum former that I built. Doing a really good job making my life a lot easier. So I'm gonna make a little extra noise here and cool this off a little quicker so we can make the video a little shorter here. I'm going to pull it out of the press here so we can show you some definition on it. It'll release here so we can get it out of here. And just so you all can see how well the definition works on here. I mean, it gets detailed enough you can see the tape that I've put on the gun to block it out. But the thing does an amazing job and it'll make a very nice hybrid holster when it's finished.